Hi, my name's Minjun Kim, and I'll talk about my dye-sanitized solar cells with hair. So what is dye-sanitized solar cells? A dye-sanitized solar cells are basically semiconductor formed between a photosanitized anode and an electrolyte, a photoelectrochemical system. So for my project, I have few materials that you can easily get. One is hair and two conductive glasses and small amount of titanium dioxide and a little bit of nitric acid and povidone iodine solutions, and which you can get it pretty much from Walgreens. So I have collected some hair from my bathtub and tried to measure if there's any conduction with the hair, but unfortunately, like there was like no voltage or like any resistance with the hair. So I thought about what if I could burn the hair so it can carbonize. And then I found an interesting article where they talk about a dye-sanitized solar cell using composite of PEDOT, PSS, and carbon derived from human hair from counter electrode. And so I burned my hair and with a torch and it smelled really bad. And here's like a video of me burning with torch. So the process goes, then I added the dye. So when you make the dye sanitized solar cells, you usually put some dye with like a blackberry juice or pomegranate juice. So the electrons transfer from the blackberry juice to titanium dioxide. So, but I don't want it to use any of the blackberry juice or any fruit kind of juice. Instead, I try to use the hair. So I found that there is like a way to you can create a hair soy sauce with the hair. It was pretty easy to make, but I didn't taste it. But the way that you make it is you use the leftover nitric acid and you just chop up some hair into pieces and then you mix it, and then over time um, it will separate the protein of your hair with the nitric acid liquid, and it will turn like a little bit like slightly brown depending your hair color. And yeah, so I have made it the dye solar dye sanitized solar cell with the hair, carbonized hair, and it generates um 0.043 milliamps, and it generates 193.4 millivolts. Thank you.